Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate VidIQ for viral titles and monetized videos, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate VidIQ for viral titles and monetized videos, start by visiting the VidIQ website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. If you already have an account, click on login. Choose the plan that best suits your needs, whether it's free or one of the paid options. Once you've signed up or logged in, download the VidIQ Chrome extension. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store and search for VidIQ. Click on Add to Chrome and confirm the installation. After the extension is installed, open YouTube in your browser. You will see the VidIQ icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on the VidIQ icon to log into your account. Once logged in, VidIQ will automatically analyze the video you're watching. To create a viral title, go to the Keyword Research tool in VidIQ. Enter relevant keywords related to your video's topic. Review the keyword score and competition levels. Select keywords with high scores and low competition for better title options. Use these keywords to craft a compelling title for your video. Now, head over to the video upload section on YouTube. Fill in the title, description, and tags with the keywords you gathered. Utilize VidIQ's optimization checklist to ensure your video is fully optimized. Check for suggestions on thumbnail and video length for better engagement. Once everything is set, click Publish to upload your video. After publishing, monitor your video's performance in the VidIQ dashboard. Review metrics such as views, watch time, and engagement rates. Adjust your strategy based on the data to maximize reach and earnings. Keep experimenting with different titles and tags for future videos. With consistent effort, you'll increase your chances of going viral and monetizing your content effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.